How to use top-rated auto insurance platforms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Top-rated auto insurance platforms promise easy comparisons and better coverage, but most beginners make mistakes that cost both time and money. You won't believe how small errors can have a big impact on your policy and claims. The first mistake is entering inaccurate information. Platforms calculate quotes based on your age, location, driving history, and vehicle details. A small typo or outdated info can lead to underquotes or coverage gaps. Always double-check all fields before submitting. Another common error is focusing solely on price. The cheapest policy isn't always the best. Look at coverage limits, deductibles, and extras like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement. Comprehensive protection often outweighs a minor savings on premiums. Many users skip reviewing discounts. Safe driver, multi-car, and bundling discounts can significantly reduce premiums. Failing to apply these can cost hundreds annually. Always explore all available savings. A surprising mistake is ignoring policy exclusions. Some top-rated platforms don't highlight every limitation. For example, flood damage, roadside repairs, or uninsured driver protection may require separate coverage. Read the fine print carefully to avoid surprises during a claim. Finally, some rely solely on online quotes without contacting insurers directly. Clarifying terms, asking questions, and confirming rates ensures the quote matches the actual policy. This step prevents unpleasant surprises later. To properly use top-rated auto insurance platforms, provide accurate details, focus on coverage quality, apply all relevant discounts, review exclusions, and confirm directly with insurers. Avoiding these beginner mistakes helps you secure a policy that truly protects you while maximizing your savings.